It is the end of the week and oh my gosh, my place is so messy. I need to clean so badly. The last couple of days I have been doing a little bit of like Instagram shooting and flat lays, and whenever I do that I pull things out from all over the place and everything just ends up a massive mess, and I really just need to get in and clean. It's gotten out of hand this week. I haven't stayed on top of it, so I just want to clean. I also have not done a cleaning motivation video in ages. I think it's been maybe at least a month. So for all of you out there who love a good cleaning video, then today I'm doing an all-day whole house clean and really getting in. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you are inspired to clean after watching this video, and let's get to it. I was meant to pack the dishwasher last night, but I just was so exhausted and I forgot to, so I'm going to start with the kitchen and get all of this into the dishwasher and tidy up all the benches. Kitchen is done. It's going in and out of being sunny, so if the lighting's all weird, that's why. I've had these flowers for almost 2 weeks now and they're still looking pretty good, so happy with that. I feel like I'm gonna keep up the red and the festive sort of theme for the rest of the year though. Next, I think I'm gonna make my bed, and then I have a couple loads of washing that I can put away as well. I have a new vacuum. I didn't buy this, the owner of the apartment did, but I get to be the first person to use it, which makes me excited because I love vacuuming. I love vacuuming. It just makes everything seem way tidier in here. What is the one thing that you love to do that just makes a massive difference in your home? Next, I have the hallway, which is an absolute disaster zone. I have shoes and bags and coats everywhere in here, and things just need to be put away, and I really need to do the floor up here as well. to do the living room first, which I've left to this afternoon so the sun is not as intense. It's just a little bit of afternoon sun in here, and then I will get in and do the bathroom. I would get attached to my plants, but I miss them so much, and I love this one. I feel like I'm already attached to this one, and so now I'm really torn because I'm still in the process of maybe looking into moving back here full-time next year, but then I don't know what I'm doing. But if I do, I have to give up all of my plants back home, and Rachel will just have to keep them. But I miss part of like my cleaning routine, and I miss part of my like weekly, multiple time weekly routine to go around and water all of my plants. I want more, but until I decide what I'm doing, I can't get more. And just like that, I'm pretty much done. It seems so clean in here. I love vacuuming. It just makes everything seem just so fresh. The last thing that I do need to do is tidy up a little bit in the bathroom. I hate filming in the bathroom because there's no light and it's so dull, but I guess I'll go and film some of that and then we can wrap up today's video. I've purchased some new products this week, so I just have some rubbish to get rid of and then also put all of these products away and wipe down the bench. I've just realized what time it is, and this was really not an all-day clean because my apartment isn't really big enough to make it an all-day clean, but it's definitely been an all-afternoon clean, and I've just realized I need to go and get ready. So I do not have time to get in and do a full proper clean of the bathroom, but that's something I can do tomorrow. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this cleaning motivation video. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these because I used to do them all the time and I just haven't really done any recently. It feels so fresh in here. I feel like I can go into the weekend like just feeling really good. So I'm glad that I got this done. I hope you've enjoyed. Up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.